तर हांव एक 2-5 मिनट माताजी हांव जय राधा माधव सिंग करता आनी मागीर आमी स्टार्ट करुया. जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी, जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी, जय गोपी जन वल्लभा जय गिरिवरधारी, जय गिरिवरधारी, यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन, यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन, यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन, जमुना तीरा बनचारी, यमुना तीरा बनचारी, जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. जय प्रभुपादा जय प्रभुपादा जय प्रभुपादा जय प्रभुपादा, जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा, जय 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 प्रभुपाद प्रभुपाद प्रभुपाद, जय जय प्रभुपाद. निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल, निताय गौर हरि बोल. हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, जय श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, पतित पावन गुरु महाराज की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल. तर सगळ्यांक स्वागत आयचे सेशनाक. आणि आज द टॉपिक इज डूज अँड डोंट्स. आम्ही पुरुषोत्तमाक सांगतो कसं डूज अँड डोंट्स करता म्हणून. So I am not sure. Let us be interactive, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Everybody can hear. Hari Bol.
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Okay. Hare Krishna, Mata. Hare Krishna, Prabhu. So let us be interactive. Let us engage ourselves and let us see what we can take from this class. I want to thank all the organizers for arranging such important classes sessions. आणि अनेक म्हळ्यार I am sure earlier classes you might have heard about the story of Purushottam Adhik Mas. Correct, Mataji? I hope so. And also
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, full class andillala Chaurashtakam ani एक
Okay.
क्लास चौराष्टकम् आशिल्लें आनी एक क्लास विंगड जस्ट
Ah.
इंट्रोडक्शन.
Okay. So then I will give some brief introduction. So Sakranka, so let us be interactive. Prabhuji, with the liberty, I am taking the liberty. So now start Korea. So let us start with the what are the 12 months of the Hindu calendar. Let the senior devotees, let the new devotees try, whoever is aware. So let us start from Chaitra. Chaitra dokun start Korea. So let us see if some devotees can repeat Chaitra magir khanchi mahin yatta, and let us see how many of the devotees are aware. Hare
Vaishak.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Chaitra magir Vaishak. Yeah, Vaishak. Next after Vaishak, yes.
Ashada.
Before Ashad,
Sorry, just.
Jyeshtha. Correct. Yeah. Okay. So after Vaishak is Jyeshtha magiri
Ashada.
Ashad magiri
Shravana.
Shravan is our Mahadev, month of
Bhadrapad.
Mahadev. Magir Bhadrapad. Bhadrapadan kanchi festival jatat Mataji. Can you?
Ganpati.
Ganpati. Ani.
Bhadrapada.
Anant Chaturthi.
Ananta Chaturdashi. Gauri Puja.
One more big festival is there.
Ashtami.
Ashtami.
Yeah.
Why?
Krishnashtami.
Krishnashtami. Correct.
Ashtami is in
Then
Shravan. Ashtami is in Shravan.
No, it ends and sometimes comes here.
comes in Bhadrapad. And
Yeah.
after Bhadrapad comes Ashwin.
Uh,
Ashwin antu Pitur Paksha and Durga Puja. After Ashwin comes which month? Let us try. Kartik month or Damodar month. After Damodar month comes the month where Krishna
Margashira.
spoke about Bhagavad Gita.
Margashira.
Margashira. Correct.
Margashira.
After Margashira kanchi mahinata?
Pausha.
Paush. Paush magiri
Magha.
Magh month. And after Magh,
Falgun.
Holi, Falgun.
Falgun.
Correct, no? So I hope everybody is aware. Yeah. Mataji? Yes, anybody? Correct. So Falgun magiri, then we have started from Chaitra. Tat kanchi month chalta sir. Today which month is going on?
Vaishak Masa Prabhuji.
वैशाख
आज तुम्ही पळला असतले टुडे रवींद्रनाथ टागोर आले अपीरेन्स डे म्हणतात बर्थडे 25th वैशाख म्हणतात त्यांनी तर अंतू आता नेक्स्ट मंथ इज ज्येष्ठ सो इन द मंथ ऑफ ज्येष्ठ दिस अधिक मास इज कमिंग दिस टाइम अधिक मास इन द मंथ ऑफ ज्येष्ठ आणि डेट्स आर इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम संडे 17 मे to 15th June 2027. Note, तुम्ही note करा ती. We have to follow this. Everybody has to follow because there is many benefits of following this Purushottam Mas. तर आम्ही let us all do it. तर how many of you do Kartik Mas very religiously? Anybody is there? Anybody here who is doing Kartik Mas?
Prabhuji,
Why?
religious means we do it like whatever lamp to be done.
Wait, religious means seriously. What I mean in
One full month, Tulsi Aarti we do. Then we
Correct.
sing that Nalakoira, Manigri, Prarthana, Damodara.
Correct.
These and all we do it 100%.
And there is main highlight. What is the main highlight? We do something regularly. We offer
So, ghee lamp.
ghee lamp. Yeah, Deepdan. Ghee lamps we offer every day, morning, evening, and we show it to Lord Damodar and Sakkarjan Damodar Ashtakam. They sing, and some people do austerity. Sakkarjan koni night khai nati. So let us understand now कि हे कार्तिक month आम्ही म्हणतात ती is considered the most sacred. सक्कड महिन्यांतो कार्तिक month is considered to be more sacred. म्हणजे it is called राधाराणी month. तर Kartik month benefits kasan asta. Anybody, if you have heard the benefits, Guru Maharaj always says that the spiritual benefit of following Kartik month is 100 times following the other months. म्हणजे अदर मंथ्स आम्ही कसले भक्ती करता असता ती तरी what we do in Kartik Mas is 100 times more auspicious than the other months. You have heard this, na? I hope everybody has heard this.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. So, and we say in Kartik month it is a sale. Malari, it is like a Diwali sale. म्हणतात ना आम्ही if you try to buy one shirt, you get two shirt free, or kashi one soap you will get two soap free. Tashinchi. If you chant one round, you will get benefit of 100 rounds of chanting. So you know what is the importance of chanting. So अशी हे importance पुरुषोत्तम मासाच्या आता मी relate करूया with related to Kartik Mas. परंतु अशी it is stated in Padma Puran that who follows Purushottam months religiously is 1,000 times more powerful than Kartik Mas. So now you should imagine what is the potency of this month. Malari, it is so potent, it is powerful asa for our spiritual benefit that एक पुरुषोत्तम मन आणतो आम्ही, if we do spiritual activity, bhakti, so it is 1,000 times more powerful than Kartik Mas. So then we should all follow this then. When we know that, we will all follow this. I'll quickly go through, otherwise we will spill over the time. So the name Purushottam, what does the name Purushottam means? Purushottam is Lord Krishna's name. Prabhuji, anybody wants to try? Yeah, Lokesh Prabhu, you are about to tell something. Hare Krishna. So Purushottam is the Lord's name and it is the supreme personality of Godhead, Krishna. The Uttam, Purushottam, the Uttam Purush is the Lord Krishna. This is the name. तर आम्ही आजी story ऐकूया, then we'll hear some glorification and do's and don'ts. There are a lot of do's and don'ts. So quickly we'll go through the story. Okay. So now we have understood that Purushottam is very, very powerful. So एक वेळा का all the sages have gathered in Naimisharanya. So you know where is Naimisharanya. Naimisharanya is the place where Srimad Bhagavatam was narrated by Suta Goswami to all the sages at the start of the Kali Yuga. Tani yagya kelele that time. So this is the place Naimisharanya where Suta Goswami Sakranka he was narrating all the sages. So thai tane he was narrating Srimad Bhagavatam. Then he narrated the important Lord Krishna's divine activities, matlab Leela. So he narrated, Malari, this is what I am narrating. Narad Muni met Lord Narayana at Badrika Ashram and he sought guidance कि ये world अंतु what is best for the people. मतलब generally he requested. So Lord Narayan revealed and he told the greatness of this Purushottam month. So Purushottam month आम्ही म्हणतात but many others call it Malmas म्हणतात, Adhik Mas, Malmas. So actually the story further goes that they felt rejected Malmas and she approached the Lord in Vaikunta and Vaikunta Lord सांगले कि Miguel जे म्हणता they are सांगते they are not giving respect, so they are calling me Malmas. Mal is dirty. So this month is they are telling it is not auspicious. हे सगळं अशी त्यांनी गुहार लायलें. तर then the Lord told, don't worry. Then he assured protection and he told your month will be as powerful as the Lord, and this month will be called as Purushottam month. So because of Lord's arrangement, this month is called as Purushottam month, which others used to call Malmas or Adhik Mas. So then Lord instruct केलें की हे पुरुषोत्तम मास अंतू जे कोण डिवोशनल ॲक्टिविटीज करतले ताका लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स ही विल गेट. ते कसन कसन बेनिफिट आम्ही घेता ती दॅट वी विल कम टू नो नाव. Then there is another story of Draupadi. So Draupadi also in her previous life ती एक ब्राह्मणी गर्ल आशिल्लें आनी तिणें ऑफेंड केलें पुरुषोत्तम मंथाक. तर ताजे खातीर तिका म्हळ्यार खूब कश्ट लागलें. आय विल नॉट गो टू द फूल स्टोरी. मागीर ऑन शी परफॉर्म्ड मस्त ऑस्टेरिटीज कोर न्हू. लॉर्ड शिवाल ब्लेसिंग्स मेळ्ळे तिका आनी शी गॉट रिबर्थ एज द्रौपदी. अशींची लॉर्ड कृष्णा एडवायस्ड पांडवांक मस्त कश्ट. तांणी दे वेंट टू कृष्णा एंड टोल्ड वी आर फेसिंग लॉट ऑफ हार्डशिप. तर कृष्णान सांगलें की यू फॉलो दिस पुरुषोत्तम मंथ and you will get your kingdom back and finally you will come to the spiritual realm. तशी तीन कहाणी आसा ती डिटेलान तू म्हळ्यार यू कॅन रीड, बट दीज आर द थ्री वेरी इम्पॉर्टंट कहानी स्टोरी ऑफ पुरुषोत्तम मंथ. एक इज सुत गोस्वामीले, एक इज ऑफ द्रौपदीले, एक पांडवांक. सो हें आमकां वी शुड know that this month is very very powerful. And आमी टाइम आमी आतां we have told that it is from 17th May to 15th June. So let us hear the glorification of this Purushottam Mas. So Purushottam Mas is very very powerful. It gets the yield of 1000 times benefit. And why it is called Adhik Mas? So if earlier they have not told, it is because of the difference of the lunar month and the solar month. Malari lunar month antu and solar month antu there is a difference. The difference, the tafawat, the difference takka cover kurcha katira every 2 years ye Adhik Mas is there. So Jyesht month antu at this time, so it is around 355 days lunar month and 365 days a year is solar month. Tak cover kurcha katira. So this 2026 Jyesht month antu this Adhik Mas is coming. Now why it is called Adhik Mas? Because it is the extra month in this year, and also Krishna Bhagwan ne lot of benefits he has given for this month. So if you do devotional activities you will get more and more benefits. Tantu kanche benefits asa we will list it down short antu sanga. Padma Puran आणि स्कंद पुराणान सांगला लॉर्ड कृष्णान की जे कोणी पुरुषोत्तम मासाक फॉलो करता ती तांगेल सक्कड सिनफुल रिएक्शन्स पाप रिएक्शन्स सक्कड नष्ट जाता. सेकंड, बिना पुरुषोत्तम व्रत केलेले वन डिवोटी विल नॉट बी अ डिवोटी, म्हणजे इन अ सेन्स दॅट इज नॉट कंप्लीट. तर पुरुषोत्तम मासाचे मस्त इम्पॉर्टन्स सांगला ऑस्टेरिटी. Anybody who follows this Purushottam Mas will return to my abode, मतलब Deval Dhamaka, at the Goloka at the end of the life. So these are the three benefits. But then Durvasa Muni says, just by bathing in the river during Purushottam Mass, one becomes sinless. तर आम्ही बेनिफिट मुखार वचया. The glory of other months is not even equal to 1/16 of the glory of Purushottam month. So इतले importance. So bathing in holy river. Second is by giving charity in this month is also very very auspicious. आणि हे म्हणतात तू you to chant the holy name of the Lord, that all your miseries will be destroyed and one will attain the perfection. म्हळ्यार he will be perfect and तागेल जे इच्छा आसा आध्यात्मिक इच्छा it will be completed. ते हे दुर्वासा मुनीन सांगला. मागीर वाल्मिकी मुनीने सांगला की पुरुषोत्तम मास जे फॉलो करता ती इट इज मोर बेनिफिशियल देन 100 अश्वमेघ यज्ञ करचे इतले. एंड सक्कड तीर्थस्थान ते एक जो भक्त पुरुषोत्तम मास फॉलो करता तांगेले बॉडीन तू ते ऑल होली रिवर्स असता. आणि जे पुरुषोत्तम व्रत पालन करता ती दे विल गो टू Golok Dham. So Lord Krishna says, Durvasa Muni says, Valmiki Muni says. Now Narad Muni also says. So Narad Muni sangta Purushottam month is the best of all the months. Sakkad Mahinantu Sakkad best month asa Purushottam month. At Hantu he says further, just by hearing the glories of Purushottam month, not by doing, just by hearing the glories of Purushottam month, one attains Krishna Bhakti and immediately nullifies his sinful reactions. This is more powerful statement. You are not doing what you are not following, but you have heard the glories. आज तुम्ही ऐकला, तुम्ही glories ऐकला. And one who performs it very properly, तांका unlimited spiritual benefits मिलता. आणि after they leave the body, they will reach the Lord's place. Jai Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. So now we have covered story of Purushottam Mass, glories of Purushottam Mass by Amgele, by Lord Krishna himself, Durvasa Muni, then Valmiki Muni and Narad Muni. So let us quickly go through the do's and don'ts. Hare Krishna. I hope everybody is with me. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.
Yes, Prabhuji.
You are there, na? Okay. Okay, let us quickly go through the do's and don'ts of Purushottam Mass. And our main aim should be to increase our bhakti. Our aim should be to take the benefit of this month. या महिन्याचा आमकां benefit घेवका आणि कशी आमी भक्तींत आमी आमचो वळयता. तर first let me ask some of the devotees ki what is the time they get up. Hare Krishna, not all, some 2-3 devotees can tell what time they get up, not the initiated devotees. Hare Krishna. Morning and what time you all get up? Hare Krishna. Some 2-3 devotees can say. Realistically, realistic.
6:30.
6:30. Okay, Mataji 6:30. Oh, good. Ashwini Shanbag, Mataji 5 a.m. Good.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, 4:45.
4:45. Okay, very good. So let us, you are all getting up early, but let us, what do's and don'ts of Purushottam Mass, we have to get up in Brahma Muhurat time. Can we try this full month? Is it possible? Let us all try. So we have to get in Brahma Muhurat time. Brahma Muhurat sunrise ache around 1.5 hours before, around 4 a.m. Is it possible to get up? Hare Krishna. Hope this is not a very big challenge.
We'll try, Prabhuji. We'll try to make
See,
it.
those who are telling that they will try, or those who are attempting, or those who will try, the secret is not of getting up early, the secret is sleeping early. म्हळ्यार you should retire म्हळ्यार you should sleep at night correct on time, then only you will get up early. म्हळ्यार तुम सकाळ उठोवका जाल्यार तुमकां टायमान न्हिदोवका आनी टायमान न्हिदोवका जाल्यार तुमकां टायमाक डिनर करका. तर तुमगेली एक्टिविटी should be disciplined एकदम. So if you don't sleep on time, you will not be able to get up. Might be एक दिवस तुम्ही get up करू येता 4 o'clock. But if you sleep at 12 o'clock and you get up 4 o'clock, then the whole day will be tiring. So you should be properly taking sleep of 6 to 7 hours. So you should basically get sleep at 10 p.m. तुम्ही note करू येता. So that is important. So after getting up, what we have to do? So after getting up, we have to do, these are do's. We have to do Mangala Arati. So I am not sure here how many devotees might be doing Mangala Arati. So if you are having temple, तुमगेले arch vigrah म्हणजे photo असा, तर तुम्ही करू येता Mangala Arati, अगरबत्ती दाखव येता. If you don't have, you can put an audio, or if you have, you can connect to Mayapur TV. Mayapur TV into live jata from 4 a.m. and 4:30 ka. So if you cannot, then you can watch that Mangala Arati. So but if you do it, it is very, very good. Once you attend Mangala Arati, then you should chant your rounds. Chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So, anga at the devotees who are chanting regularly, suppose somebody is chanting 16 rounds, so then he should increase his rounds. म्हळ्यार somebody is not chanting, हांगा कोणी chant करना जाल्यार let them start and at least chant one round, at least one round. आणि जे chant करता ती, suppose somebody is chanting 8 rounds, let him chant 16 rounds. कोणी 16 rounds करल्यार let him chant 25 rounds. Somebody is chanting 25 rounds, he can chant 32 rounds. ये मस्त important असा, ये ब्रह्म मुहूर्ताक उठोन we should chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra nicely, because that time it is very quiet, it is very peaceful, there is no disturbance. And how we have to chant? We have to chant, we have to recite the 10 offenses. Sakrang Gotasa, we are always doing Sunday and all the devotees are aware. Sakrang Gotasa. Dasa Naam Aprad ami read korka and also ami practice korka. We should not do Naam Aprad. आणि हे 10 नाम अपराध बिना कोरनु आमका हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र जप करका. आणि आमका जप करताना आमगेल एटीट्यूड हे आसका की नाव आणि ना भगवानाले हंतू अंतर ना. द होली नेम एंड द लॉर्ड देर इज नो डिफरन्स. हे मूल माइंडान दवरनु विदाउट ऑफेन्स कोरनु हे ब्रह्म मुहूर्ताक आमी लायक कोरनु आमगेल अधिक चॅन्टिंग कोरनु आमी ताका प्रयास करता. सो what we should do is we should do additional round, and what we should not do, don't anile, we should do naam aprad. There are 10 naam aprad, and we should do attentive chanting and sakadasa, you are all aware. So these 10 offenses to the holy name we should avoid. So everybody is there with me. Hare Krishna. So we'll go ahead.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, Hare Krishna. So Mukarvacha, then we have to do Hantu Vishesh Pratna Korka. जशी आम्ही दामोदर म्हणता तो दामोदर अष्टकम वी आर रिडींग. तर अशींची हे म्हयन्यांत वी हॅव टू रिसाइट सम प्रार्थना टू द लॉर्ड. आणि हे प्रार्थना आचार्यान आमकां बरोवन दिला. आमकां ऑलरेडी आमगेले वैष्णव सॉंग बुक्सांत आसा. आणि डेफिनेटली भागवत पुराण कोंकणी टीम मायट बी इन भजन्स दे आर ऑलरेडी रिसाइटेड मेनी ऑफ देम. तर अंतू whatever I have noted might be there might be addition, so you can, but this is what I have heard and I will jot it down. एक म्हळ्यार सकाळी जय राधा माधव हें सिंग करता, जें आतां आमी सिंग केलेलें जय राधा माधव. मागीर आफ्टरनूनाक चौराष्टकम we should sing and we should try to read the meaning also. And evening antu Jagannath Ashtakam we should try to sing. So I think Prabhuji we had done na Chaurashtakam. I think just Murlidhar Chan Prabhu told one series is done, so you can read the meaning to understand koreta. And Jai Radha Madhavache, what I heard I will just tell you, very very nice. Oh, that's why I sing also. कि जय राधा माधव ज्यांनी तुम्ही सिंग करतात नव्हे, the whole place where you are, it becomes a Vrindavan. So when you recite Jai Radha Madhav, so that place becomes Vrindavan, and you sing with that intention, is that manan korno, so that whole place, whether it is online or it is offline, so wherever you are singing now, then it becomes like a Vrindavan. So taje katera we should sing all these bhajans, pratna, which are by acharyas have told us. So magiri ek mukar, there is one Govardhan एक प्रणाम मंत्र असा गोवर्धनाचे. सो that also you should recite. If you are aware, I will just recite and tell the meaning. Very simple. Whoever has Govardhan knows the importance of Govardhan. So Govardhan, so it is like that. गोवर्धनधरं वन्दे गोपालं गोपरूपिणं गोकुलोत्सवम् ईशानां गोविंदम गोपीप्रियम. परंतु translation is Govardhanam dharam vande. I offer my respective obeisances to the lifter of Govardhan hill, Gopalam Goparupinam, who has the beautiful form of covered boy. Gokulotsavam Isanam, he is the supreme controller and the great joy of Gokula, where every day is a festival. And Magiri Govindam Gopika Priyam, he gives pleasure to the cow and the senses and the beloved of the cowherd damsels, म्हणजे gopis of Vrindavan. ऑलरेडी कोंकणी चांगले रे. आम्ही वंदन करूया हे गोवर्धनच्या पर्वताक ज्यान लिफ्ट केला आणि तांगेल जे नायस फॉर्म एक ग्वालाल फॉर्म आणि तो सुप्रीम कंट्रोलर असा नियंत्रण करता आणि तो गोकुलाचे आनंद दिता. खंय सकाळी एवरी डे थंय एक फेस्टिवल आसा आणि तो जे गाय आणि तांचे जे गोपीक तांकां तो आनंद दिता. सो दिस we can recite 3 times. Magiri Bhagavad Gita, we have to read Bhagavad Gita chapter 15 Purushottam Yog. As that girl very nicely recited. So taj meaning we can understand the meaning, how we have to cut, we have to detach amgele desires and surrender to the Lord. And surrender again, we have to surrender to Param Purushottam Bhagwan. And these 20 verses Bhagavad Gita chapter 15, If we can do daily, it is very good. If you have time, try to do it. It is very, very nice. Hari Bol. Magiri Srimad Bhagavataj पाठ कोरेता तांतु there are lot of prayers असा Srimad Bhagavatam Prahlad Maharaja prayers Brahma's prayers to Lord Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto 14th chapter. तर Bhagavatam we can read and we can listen also. Dhruv Charitrasa, there are many Malari Ami we can recite and we can hear. Sir, that again how much time you have, you can do it. Agir mukar ami ek points cover kore. I don't know if you are jotting down the points. Mukari is simple living, high thinking. Yeah, this is way we say, but we are many times we are unable to do it. But यहाँ हमको follow करका. Simple living, high thinking. Sometimes we say we can do it, but little austerity हमका we get irritated. But we should try to do it. आणि हाजी मस्त उदाहरण असं. We have a lot of उदाहरण. Our acharyas have shown us कशी आम्ही simple living, high thinking कोरेता. आमगेले भक्ती सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकूर गुरु गौर किशोरदास बाबाजी आम्ही उदाहरण घेवेत. प्रभुपादाले उदाहरण घेवेत. आम्ही कशी simple living कोरनो इतले high thinking कोरनो they could achieve spiritual advancement. तर आम्ही तशी कोरका. तर तांतू it is recommended that whatever our intake is there, कसं नाही आम्ही suppose we are eating 4 times 5 times, तर आहार आम्ही reduce करका and we should focus more on spiritual advancement. तर we should avoid elaborate म्हणतात ना कसं नाही festivals असल्यारे you should be very minimal. So there is many ways. Some devotees can skip dinner, some devotees don't eat very heavy lunch or heavy dinner. If you are taking 4 times 5 times, you can reduce your intake and but not at the म्हणजे अशी नाही की तुम्ही रिड्यूस केले हांव सांगला म्हणून प्रभुजीनं पण तुमका भूक अशी लागला मात काही चल ना. तर महाराष्ट्रात तो अशी सांगता ती पहिला कर म्हणतात पहिले पोटोबा नंतर विठोबा. तर वॉट एवर मिनिमम यू म्हणजे इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट, इफ यू आर एनी हेल्थ इश्यूज, सो यू शुड कन्सिडर दॅट. बट यू शुड रिड्यूस. कितले रिड्यूस करू येता तितले रिड्यूस करच्याक प्रयत्न करता. सिंपल लिव्हिंग, हाय थिंकिंग आणि लेझीनेस रिड्यूस करता. म्हणजे स्लीप तशी जशी एकादशी आम्ही करता ती तशी वी शुड बी डिसिप्लिन. मागीर मुखारी वी शुड ट्राय टू ऑफर जे आम्ही करता ती टू द लॉर्ड. इफ डिवोटीज आर नॉट ऑफरिंग भोगा, then we should offer कसने आम्ही करता ते we should offer to the Lord and then आम्ही ग्रहण करता. हे very important. भक्ती सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकूर सांगला की if you are not eating prasad, then the chanting also gets affected. So हे mystery important असं that we should offer to the Lord and eat. तर हे important point असं. So if you are not doing this month, you can do. तुम्ही न्यू बर्तन अशी एक बकेट घेवत, some utensils you can buy which is not only offered for the Lord. तुम्ही त्या युटेन्सिलान तू देवाक भोग लगावन कोरनो, तुलसी पत्ता कोरनो, simple offering कोरनो. You try this for 1 month, really you will feel the bliss. आणि once you try, then you can make it as a practice. So, if you try it, it's very good, Mataji's and Prabhuji's. Then we should live a brahmachari life. Brahmachari life means we should follow the four regulative principles, and we should avoid sex for this month, and we should be very, very austere. So we should like brahmacharya आमका follow करता. मागिरी whatever activities we are doing, we should do for the pleasure of the Lord. म्हणजे कसने आम्ही काम करता ती तर ते कृष्ण भगवानाले pleasure खातीर करता and with Krishna in the center. So we should not waste our time in frivolous things, sports. म्हणजे sometimes we unnecessarily waste our time. So this month is very auspicious. We should try and engage whatever time हमको मिलता ते कृष्ण सेवा का और देवालय प्लेजर खातीर आम्ही आका फॉलो करता. This is also very, very important. तर हंतु we should avoid unwanted visits. म्हणजे कने कने म्हणतात न्हय गप्प मारच्या खातीर हांगा थंय बसून. So we should avoid that unwanted visits and do more bhakti. म्हणजे chanting करा ती, कृष्ण कथा ऐक्या ती, reduce your body comfort, म्हणजे sleep, be disciplined, chad read करा ती, then automatically you will get the benefit. So you will get time also. You can read Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, you can recite the Pratnas. So all this can follow. But if you waste time, so that is don't antu. Unwanted visit to your some friends, you can avoid that. Mukari, you should take some sankalpa, but that you should discuss with your mentor, your guru or senior devotee. So you can take any sankalpa. म्हणजे आम्ही हे महिन्यात तू हा मग हे करता म्हणून. तर संकल्पांतू डिफरंट आसत. तर कंचे आम्ही बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करत और आम्ही हे म्हणत की हांव हांकां कनेक्ट करता कृष्ण भावना म्हणटा तूं अशी हे संकल्प करत आणि स्वताल संकल्प करत की हांव हे 3-4 हांव I will chant 25 rounds or I will chant so many rounds हे संकल्प करत or I will get up at so much time हे संकल्प or I will read Srimad Bhagavatam हे कसले spiritual संकल्प but under the guidance of your mentor, your guru, your senior devotees, you can do the sankalp. If you are taking the sankalp, then you have to do it. Magiri, Hantu, we should not be chatur. Chatur म्हळ्यार आम्ही म्हणतले हांव संकल्प घेता I will not eat Karela. And Karela, if you are not liking that, but anyways you don't like it. So you will take sankalp, I will not eat that. So that sort of a cheating korchanaja. We should be honest to whatever sankalp we are doing. And if we are taking the sankalpa tarami te follow korun taka korka. So this is what you can do. Then further we can म्हळ्यार important part आसा दान करचें. तर हे मस्त important आसा. Actually, after His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj Vyas Pujantu, he told Grahastha should be always doing dan because the other ashramas are dependent on them. And जितले projects असता without dan ते complete करचा जायना. So Guru Maharaj had recommended that 11% of your, I am not sure it is income or what you are getting, but to understand 11% त्यांनी सांगलेले की you should donate. तर इतने तर आम्ही करना ते तर ही रेकमेंडेड 11%. बट समथिंग वी शुड डू ऑलवेज. आणि ह्या पुरुषोत्तम मास वेन वी नो that you are going to get double effect, then Kartik Mass such a 1000 time. So you should engage your money Lakshmi in the right place. So you should give for temples. तुम्ही खंयचे टेम्पल्स बिल्ड करता ताक दिवेत. यू कॅन गिव फॉर इस्कॉन एनी प्रोजेक्ट्स. मस्त प्रोजेक्ट चलता सर. इस्कॉन मँगलोरा प्रोजेक्ट चलता सर. आय थिंक देर इज अ कॉलेज गोईंग ऑन. देर आर लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स. देर इज TOVP प्रोजेक्ट ते अजून कंप्लिशनाक जाता असं. देर आर वेरियस प्रोजेक्ट इन केरला. देर आर वेरियस प्रोजेक्ट इन कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र, इन वृंदावन. म्हणजे खंयी प्रोजेक्टान दिवेत. नाहीतरी तुम्ही यू कॅन डू सम गिफ्ट्स. कसं नाही असे करेत दान. बुक्स यू कॅन दान करेत. आम्ही हांगा सम डिवोटीज गिव दान बुक्स. म्हणजे आय विल डोनेट 50 भगवद्गीता. I will donate this, I will donate some rice, this, that. So whatever you donate, this is very, very pious nahi, this is very, very spiritually advanced korchaka. This is very, very important. Daan is very important for sustenance. So daan koreta, that also you can discuss with your senior devotees, mentor, and you can follow that. आणि ह्या महिन्यात तू आम्ही शुद्धता दवरका. इफ एनीबडी इज स्मोकिंग, ड्रिंकिंग, ईटिंग, काय म्हणतात ते, टोबॅको और एनीथिंग, म्हणजे 4 नियम फॉलो करका. चहा, कॉफी, इफ यू आर ट्राइंग यू कैन अवॉइड. इफ आई नो मेनी कोंकणीज ड्रिंक कॉफी and tea, but if you can avoid, it is very good. So you can try that. Leave tea, coffee, and you can offer sharbat or anything, dahi, lassi, and have that. Agri dham vas, yeah, is also recommended. That if you can stay 30 days in dham during Purushottam month, mast auspicious asa. So definitely 30 days difficult, especially we are in Abu Dhabi, Avtari Desh, Russell Kema or other places. But you can try to go dham and Tvacheta. You can, if you have planning, you have holidays, children has holidays, plan karati dham visit. You can go to dham, stay there. So I am lucky that I am staying in temple. Or if you don't have dham visit, then you can stay in a temple also. So if there is any chance anywhere you can stay. If you don't have that both chance, तर तसन करत देवस्थाना वचून daily you can go morning evening. So means any म्हणजे कसले चान्स मिळ्यार you should try. धाम वास केल्यार बेस्ट. धाम परिक्रमा केल्यार बेस्ट. If not, stay near temple, that is also best. If you cannot do that also, then you go to the temple, go and come regularly. You can do that. Agar mukarocha, we should offer tulsi jal to tulsi Maharanika. The very auspicious. If that is required irrespective of Purushottam month. So tami tulsi ka jal korka. And if possible, Shri Radha Krishna ka lotus flower we can offer daily. If you can afford, or you can offer lotus flower to the pleasure of the Lord. Magiri, also you should not be angry and you should always tell Satya. Many devotees or get angry, or you should not be in a position when you know that these things get you irritated or you get angry. तर आमकां अवॉइड करका अशी परिस्थिती की आमकां we get agitated and we get angry. So especially husband wife, if you are they have a habit of fighting. So not fighting म्हणजे अशी म्हणतात arguments. So we should try to avoid that, which small arguments can lead to big fights. तर आम्ही arguments हे सगळं अवॉइड करका this month. आणि वी शूड बी ट्रुथफूल तर नी हांव आसका आमकां दॅट इज ऑलवेज आसका पर हे म्हयन्यान तूं सत्य म्हणका वी शूड बी ट्रुथफूल अँड एंगर क्रोध आमकां सोडका दिस वी हॅव टू डू इट देन मुखारी वी शूड एवॉयड 100% वैष्णव अपराध म्हळ्यार आमकां कन्सेव मेळ्ळी आमकां हें मेळ्ळी तें मेळ्ळी हें अपराध कर न्हू अपराध केल्यार देन देर इज नो देर ऑल बेनिफीट वील गो सो वैष्णव अपराध इज अ टोटल नो 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 सो वी शूड डेवलप आमी सिंग करता ती म्हळ्यार एवरी क्लास आमी सांगता ती त्रिनादपी सुनीचेन तरोरपी सहिष्णुना अमानीन मान देना कीर्तनिया सदारी पर म्हणचे आनी इंटेंशन आमगेलें आसता हें मस्त इम्पॉर्टंट आमी म्हणटा ती वी शूड हंबल आसका वी शूड बी टॉलरंट मान ना जाल्यार आमकां कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना दुसऱ्यांक मान दिवका हें आमगेलें मूड आसता चॅन्टिंग करतना आनी आमगे लायफान पर हें नॉट ओन्ली टू प्रीच बट हें आमकां फॉलो करता हें मस्त इम्पॉर्टंट आसा आनी वैष्णव अपराध आमकां एवॉयड करता वी शूड 100% म्हळ्यार ताका वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज वन्स वैष्णव अपराध इफ यू डू देन वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट रीड ऑफ इट तर देर आर सम मोर पॉइंट्स प्रभुजी आय विल क्विकली रॅप इट अप देन बुक डिस्ट्रीब्युशन करता यू शूड वेर एवर यू आर इफ यू कॅन गिव बुक्स आर द बेसीस आमगेलें प्रभुपादान सांगलां प्रभुपाद रिटन सो मेनी बुक्स आनी हे बुक्स आमकां दिवका सगळ्यांक देर आर लॉट ऑफ बुक्स भगवद गीता प्रभुपाद स्मॉल बुक्स सगळ्याक आमी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता यू कॅन प्लॅन इट अगेन डिस्कस विथ युअर सिनियर्स आनी तुमकां हें करता मागीर ही वैष्णव सेवा करता वैष्णव सेवा काही भक्तांक प्रसाद you can offer to the Lord and give prasad to the Vaishnavak. Yeah, very very important because by the blessings of Vaishnavas कितले म्हळ्यार चेंजेस जावेत you know how Narad Muni changed Kayadu Prahlad Maharaj Hunter कितले म्हळ्यार वैष्णवाला कृपान कसने जावेत so we can always do Vaishnav Seva in temple wherever you get chance and Guru you can his projects you can do seva magiri Hari Katha Shravan Korka always try to hear more and more Hari Katha that will increase your spiritual advancement mag Dham Parikrama I already told Mandir Marjan तर आय नो इफ यू आर नॉट इन बट तुमगेल घरांत अगर सपोज स्मॉल और टेम्पल आसा तर टेक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू क्लीन दॅट टेम्पल व्हेरी नायसली म्हणटात न्हय केन्ना आमी वी डोंट क्लीन इट प्रॉपरली सो यू कॅन क्लीन इट रिमूव ऑल द आयटम्स क्लीन इट व्हेरी नायसली मार्जन म्हणटात न्हय जशी गुंडीच्या मार्जन तशी लायक कोण मार्जन करून कंप्लीट टेम्पल सो द मोर यू डू मार्जन इट विल क्लियर युअर हार्ट मागीर आमकां पवित्र नदीन तूं स्नान करता सो हू आर इन इंडिया तांणी कोरयता पॉसिबली अँड हू आर अवे फ्रॉम इफ दे आर नॉट हॅविंग गंगा यमुना ऑर एनी सरस्वती तनय म्हळ्यार जे तीर्थस्थान ते बाजूक इफ दे कॅन टेक अ डीप इट इज व्हेरी गुड अदरवायज गुरु महाराज आमगेल सांगता ती वायल टेकिंग बाथ तुमी सांगेत गंगा 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 म्हणून when you take the bath you can utter or you know the mantra for Gange chaiva Yamuni chaiva Godavari हे तुम्ही रिसाइट कर न्हू you can invoke all the तीर्थas आणि तुम्ही ताजे स्नान करता आणि लास्ट 2 पॉइंट्स म्हणून हांव कन्क्लूड करता की नित्य राधा कृष्णाक घी लॅम्प सकाळ आणि इवनिंगाक you should show the Lord for the pleasure of the Lord. रोज आम्ही त्या महिन्यात नित्य दीप दाखोवका so this will also clear our heart and for the pleasure of the Lord. So हे घी लॅम्प आम्ही नित्य दाखोवका आणि ब्राह्मणांक भोजन if you can do it you can one time you can give 33 brahmanak bhojan, or you can give daily, but daily करचे अवघड असं. So one time you can give ब्राह्मणांक भोजन करेत तांकां. अशी आमकां ह्या म्हयन्यान तूं आमी कितले भक्ती करतले तितले आमकां लाभ मेळटा. So this is, we have both the benefits. Whoever has heard these glories, they have the benefit, and who will do it, who have sankalp घेऊन, if you are following it, I will be very happy. And let us, if there is any class after Purushottam Mass, you can share your realization. I will be very happy if the devotees who have joined tanni Purushottam Mass kornu 20-30 points follow kornu, ताजे kornu complete kornu. If you can follow the realization, it is very good. We are going to give lot of focus from our Namatta or Yatra, Angel Bhakti Riksha. So let us all plan and nicely do this Purushottam month, and let us take the blessing from Lord Purushottam. जय श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, गुरु महाराज की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल. Hare Krishna. Thank you Prabhuji and Mataji for